Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to a new episode of the transliteration.org website. I'll talk today about one skill that you can test yourself. It is mapping Arabic. You will hear one letter. This letter is in Arabic, and you will select one of these 6 letters. So let us hear this one.
Ne.
It says ma or na. Let me hear it again.
Ne.
It is saying na. So it is na, this one. If we click here,
Qa.
this is qa. If you click here,
Thi.
let me make a mistake so you see what happened. Assume that it's ra. It says no, the correct was thi. Then you will continue.
Me.
If you this was ma, and I will change to Arabic.
Le.
It is ta. Let me hear it again.
Le.
No, it is la. So this is the letter la.
Re.
Those are letters with vowels. If you select a vowel which is
Me.
a little bit harder, continue. So it is the letter A, but what vowel? Let me hear it again. It is extended A, which is this one.
Be.
Short B.
Ru.
I didn't hear this. Hear it again.
Ru.
It's Ru.
Si.
It was C, I think.
Tu.
I changed to Arabic, then it is Tu, which is, if it is long or short, let me hear it again.
Tu.
It's long, Tu.
Hi.
He, and it's long. If it is short, if it is he, it will be this one. But it's he,
Li.
and so on. So you will hear the letters and try to find it in Arabic or in transliteration and learn more. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.